I love that.
Yeah, that's dope.
God, I want to fly this thing.
Hey, Kevin, did you help him on that one?
No. Yeah, I know, too, Kevin. Just call him.
Kevin, we got Kevin. Yeah, there we go. You don't feel the phone?
Want to get one now, Jeff?
We got Kevin and Nova.
I know. You sing, Kevin.
Oh!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Goonies never die, bro. Come on out there. Come on out there. Come out the other side. Yeah! Woo! No, son. Oh! Oh!
Dude, I thought he was going for it.
God, what is that? Like 1,500 there? Probably 1,500 bucks. Keep your eyes out, guys.
Yes.
He's going. He's going for it. He's going for it.
Oh! Dude, stables one. Stables one. Stable one. Stable one, you'll get it. Ryan, stable one. Yeah.
Here we go.
All day, every day, Ryan. Be savage. Don't be fucking average. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh. Okay, let's go.
He just had to commit. He had it.
Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Use the force. Let's go. Feel the flow. That's not. Yes. Oh, come on now.
Sounds so mean.
I know. Go deeper.
The battery's surprising for me. Like,
Come out deeper. Deeper. Keep going. Oh, shit. He's just got to stretch it a little farther. He's got to go to ridgeline. If he stretches it to ridgeline, he'll be able to cut through. That's what I got to do. I got to go to ridgeline, cut through. He's carrying the same momentum. Same arc, at least. That's insane.
Like we didn't take up even
Yeah. And it still sounds like it's got plenty of voltage.
12S.
I mean, that's the thing.
Oh!